Hello friend, today this video is very important because in this video I will cover very important and powerful topic in Excel salary sheet. Please look at if you're working as an Excel user in any company or organization, there are many employees are working in your organization. You have to know how much HRA, how much DA, how much PF and how much ESI because you have to manage a salary sheet, one of the most important term of Excel. During interview they ask more about side related, what is a HRA, what is a TA, what is a conveyance, and what is the actual meaning of PF and ESI. And one more thing, they ask what is the difference between basic salary and gross salary. It will get confused during an interview. In this video, we will create a proper salary sheet in Excel. We cover all the main topic related to the salary. Make sure please watch this video till end. Normally, come to the computer screen. I have started Excel. The first, here we write the some terms which ID number, employee name, designation, basic salary, attendance, salary, HRA, DA, conveyance, gross salary, PF, ESI, net salary. Select it and arrange it according to the space. Here become next and the foremost topic. Why we have to provide the ID number to the employee? Because in the company there are many persons with the same name, such as Rahul name, 2 or 3 person. To identify the particular person in a company, we will provide an ID number to the person or employee. The secondly, one is the designation. Designation means the post a person, such as example manager. Here I have written one ID number, a name Rahul Kumar. Designation means manager. Here please understand two terms. One is the basic salary and salary. And what is the difference between it? For example, when we hire the person for the particular job, such as 50,000 per month salary, but when it comes the term of attendance, here we mention only the total working days of the employee. He came to work in the company, such as the Rahul has came to the company for 28 days. Then the salary. The salary is defined based upon attendance. It will be calculate the total working days of Rahul and it will determine the 28 days salary to Rahul. Here, how to calculate the salary is equal to basic salary divided by 30 multiplied by 28 days. Then here we got the salary, actual salary for the person. Here 2 days is leave. Rahul on leave. One more thing. Assistant manager her salary is 45,000. He came for the 26 days. Now, here I will get cleared one more time to you. The first basic salary divided by 30 days multiplied by working days means it means attendance. Here the Deepak also working for the 26 days. He got the 26 days salary. Now come to the staff benefits or employee benefits, employee allowances. It known as the allowance. Here the HRA. HRA is determined as known as house rent allowance. The house rent allowance is the part of your salary provided by the employer for expenses of incurred towards the rented accommodations. Here, the Rahul got 8,000 rupees as HRA means he has to work, take a rent outside, far away from the company. He giving to rent, paying rent for his accommodation. So the company is saying, I will provide 8,000 rupees as HRA. What it mean by DA? DA means dearance allowance. It is a cost of living adjustment amount the government pay the public sector's employee and pensioner. DA is reflected as the expense cost of living. How much expense are multiplied day to day coming expense. Here the DA is providing for the Rahul is 3,000 rupees. And what it mean by conveyance? Conveyance is known as reimbursement. Other than the conveyance is also the short term we identify the conveyance is the employer for increasing the expenses for the specific duty related to the journey. When the employee wants to come and join or work to the company, he has to pay some travel allowances for her journey, such as auto, train, bus, etc. Here, the Rahul is getting 6,000 rupees as a conveyance means travel allowances. Here, one more things I get to the clarify with you one more time. What is a HRA? HR is the home rent allowance and DA is living adjustment. It is the cost of living and convenience is related to the travel allowances. Here I put 3,000 rupees HRA for Deepak and 2,000 for DA and 6,000 5,000 for uh, travel. Here we got the salary, HR and convenience. We get understand what is meant by HRA, DA and convenience. And now we have to calculate. We already talked what is the difference between basic salary and gross salary. And let you get cleared here. Basic salary is the fixed amount when we appointment any persons are employed in the work during the day of duty hiring the persons for the work. But when the employee joined our company, he gets some benefits such as HRA, DA, convents are known as her additional benefits of employee. Now, one more term. In the interview, they ask how to calculate the overtime. Here be confused. No more confusions are have to done. I'll let you understand. We insert two columns. One for the overtime in hours and other one is overtime salary. I here mention overtime in overtime in hours and one more over time salary because we have to pay the salary for overtime. Here I have mentioned the Rahul work for 60 hours and how to calculate. The first of all going to calculate the overtime salary first in case that somebody asks 60 we have to mention the hours also. Right click format cell custom general type as double quote hours type hours double quotes click OK. Here is mentioning the hours and here the Deepak is working for 45 hours. Now, how to calculate the overtime? For the calculating the overtime is equal to basic salary dividend by 30. It means it will determine the 1 day salary and 8 hours of working and multiply by 60 hours. It means it will determine the 1 day 8 hours and 60 hours salary overtime. Now one more time, basic salary dividend by 30 days, it will determine or it will reflect as 1 day salary dividend by 8 hours multiply by 45 hours. I remove the decimal from here. And now gross salary. Already we talked about the gross salary. Gross salary is the benefits compiled with the salary, means HRA DA convents. Now we have to calculate the gross salary is equal to salary plus HRA plus DA plus convents plus overtime. We got the gross salary here. And what it mean by PF? Now these are the two things. The first one is the income generation for the employee allow, and other one is a deduction. Here the PF is provident. PF is known as provident fund. From PF 12% deduction from your salary, and it will be getted from your basic uh, with your salary, and it will refunded after 60 years of when you when you retired from your company. And here you will get the bulk amount of deductions, 12% deductions after retirement. Here we calculate the PF such as salary multiplied by 12%. We got the 12% PF, and the same for the Deepak also. And ESI. ESI is state insurance, employee state insurance. It is also known as the medical insurance, such as the we our day-to-day life we taking some medical insurance policy. No, but for the company workers, they are no more ability to take such a insurance for our medical. So that why the company is providing the ESI state insurance policy. It is also like a medical policy, and it will provide employee as well as her family members. Here ESI is cutting from your salary is 0.75%. It totally based on basic salary. Now we got the ESI. ESI we got the same for the Deepak also, and remove the decimal from here. What is net salary? After the deduction, we got the net salary. The less the gross salary minus PF and ESI, we got the net salary, the balance to pay in the month of December. Here we click it and merge it, and some alignment have to put. Simply I have write employee salary sheet for the month of December 2022. 2022. And I color it. If you want to color, give the background color, please put out the colors. I have put here the yellow, different color for the more attractive. And here the HRA overtimes and benefits. One more time, the gross salary, the PF and ESI for the deductions, and the balance to pay. Net salary is known as the balance to pay. Here becomes how to create the salary sheet in Excels, and you get detailed informations how to create a salary sheet in Excels. Thank you for watching my video. It will be helpful for you to get understand.